Alright, Toyota Tundra, rear brakes. Real quick, we're gonna just, you got this little spot inside here. So you're gonna wanna get in there, just take some tension off this. You can sometimes get lucky and get that inner lip and get it pulled all the way. You know, if you can get it on the inside of this part right here. Like that. On this side as well. Now, if we get it all the way, we won't have to use C-clamp or whatever to squeeze it the rest of the way. We'll see how that worked. I'm pretty sure that did it. We're going to be doing rotors and brakes. So counterclockwise, we're going to get this broken free. Oh, that's nice and stiff. All right, well, maybe we'll use a bigger tool. All right, so I got it broke free. I'm going to take these bolts out. First, if you were just doing a pad slap, you would just take this bottom one out. If you weren't doing the rotors, we're doing the rotors and everything. Come on, pain in the ass. Let's do it. Alright, pin right on out, and you would flip this up, and you could just pull the pads out and do it that way. Pin will come right out, just let the whole thing just hang. We're going to grease these guys up, make sure they're good, then pull our pads out. Oop, there was a little clip there, it came flying out with it. One up top. We get all the new ones with these anyways, but this was up top. This was up top. We'll finger that out another time. Went over this way like this, yeah. Something like that, but it's falling out. We got new ones anyways. So other side out. All right, get rid of these guys. That rotor needs to be pushed down a little bit more, so we'll use one of these, just like so. I'm just gonna tighten that in. And we'll squeeze it down the rest of the way. It's in all the way. And we're doing the rotors as well, so 17 millimeter. Fun. Decided to sit my way. Try you again. We need a bigger tool. All right, get that out. A bit bigger guy. There we go. Yeah, put that other bolt. Oh, down the floor. Yeah. You need it down there too. Yeah. All right, another bolt up there. This guy. See, crusty. So we're going to put these bolts in, and it's going to go in and pull this out. It's just crusty and doesn't want to go off.
Come on. Well, I might have to get something a little more of a man than that.
Alright, cool. Okay. Sprayed a little brake cleaner on, put this on backwards. We're going to wipe the greasy residue off both sides of this, because it's got like a grease to keep it on it, to keep it from rusting. You don't want that in the brakes. Make sure it's nice and clean. You can inspect your emergency brake pads while you're in there, and they're fine. All right. Now we're gonna grab this without touching it with our fingers. We're gonna grab it and flip it over. Pop the old pins back in there. You can put new ones in if you want. We're gonna put this back down like it goes. Let me see how it went. Something like that, yeah. Here we get those bolts in. You can put all these new guys on there if you want. The ones on this one's fine. I'm not gonna bother with it. And get 2 pads out. One of them, and put it on the bottom. Just kind of stick it up in the top first, like so. And then get it to go in the bottom as well. Get it to click into place. So the second one, we're going to get it up in the top first. All the way up top. Get it to get in the bottom as well. Just get it squeezed in. Oh, she's acting up on me. She's catching on something out. Oh, that inner tab. It's being a pain in the ass. Alright. This thing's being a pain. Just to crank that out just a bit. So I can get this in. And down bottom. Boom. Now it's all together again. We're gonna get some grease. We're gonna wipe that off first. Where's my bag? Get these wiped off nice and clean first. This one too. A little grease. We're gonna grease them up real good, both sides. I'm gonna need both hands for this. Come all greased up. Get this guy. Stab right in there. Kind of rock it back and forth. Get that rubber boot in place. Lay it slide down on top of there. Get this rubber boot kind of squished in place as well. Shoot, you know what? That's been a pain in the butt. But we're gonna get it in place. And we're gonna get this guy. It's got grease all over it. Get it in there. Tighten it down. Just like so. And just do the same thing with the other side. All right, guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put the parts in the description below. Just click the link. Everything you'll need. Rotors, brakes, front, back, everything.